Welcome to the Backyard Shenanigans YouTube channel.
It's BS Mike here, Backyard Shenanigans. We're back, me and the girls. Just kidding, I pointed it the wrong way, I'm sorry. But we're back here tonight, guys. Freedom 500 is going on. Gonna be a good event. Just gonna show some quick highlights, so stick around for, you know, the more randos on camera, the better. Me and the boys are right here, you know what I'm saying? They're all, you know, they're too cool to be on camera today, but you know, we're here.
Cletus is able to get everybody together.
Let's talk about our grid. So on that front row, now in pole position, coming to us from Las Vegas, Amanda Sorensen. She's all the way down there. I see her down there in the mix. All right,
Girls, the race is about to start. What do you have to say?
What?
Say yeah.
What?
What do you say, Ronnie? All right, bro. All right, what you gonna say?
Somebody's ass is about to get loose. Cool guys over there.
Halfway through, who do you got? She's taking Kevin from KSR. Look at him.
You can't run up front all night and then win it.
Yeah, okay.
It never happens that way.
I'm going for my boy Justin. Justin's coming up. He's running forward.
JHG, so to clarify here.
He's running up front. Justin's coming, buddy.
And I'm gonna say Travis Pastrana takes a W.
Is Cletus still in it?
Who?
That's
Is Cletus still? Okay. She's got Cletus. Okay.
Grant from PFI Speed sitting in that number 7. PFI Speed. Finish following.
Turn left, Travis. Turn left.
Neck and neck, Pastrana and Cletus. Oh, Pastrana got down low. Got low contact. Oh, Pastrana got the lead back. Win. Cletus. Cletus? All right, we got 3 for Cletus. Ooh, it's tied up front, guys. Last lap, Ronnie.
I'm down here in victory lane with Cletus.
You see those kids? Yeah, he's snowboarding. How cool is that? That's a freaking dirt bike in the sky. fast, risk everything.